And today's 2 Minutes of Science is all about looking inside the humble toaster. We looked before about the power utilization and the temperatures inside. Now let's take a look about the actual mechanical mechanism and how it functions. There's lots of different outer parts to toasters. This is just one example. The sides are made out of metal, and so they can get very hot, but the ends, both where the lever is that pulls the toast down and the opposite side, both are made out of plastic, heat resistant plastic, so that you can touch them. But whenever you're using a toaster, you have to be careful. So we can pull out the sides and take a look at what's underneath. Necessary to remove the handle first in order to see it. One of the things note right away, the yellow object in the middle, that's the magnetic latch, so that when you push the mechanism down, it has to be powered before it will latch down. That's one way to know and make sure that the toaster is powered. It also is based on a control line that runs through the toaster and powers all the heating elements. So if something is broken before it reaches that latch, it's not going to work right. All of this is controlled by the control board, which sits behind the dial, and that determines not the amount of heat that the toast gets, but the amount of time that it will cook, because the power utilization is constant. It's always got the same heating system. The carriage itself is spring-loaded with springs on both sides to make sure that it'll come up naturally, and it's that electromagnetic latch that holds it down and keeps it down until the toast is done as decided by the control board. And that, my friends, is a look inside the toaster. Sometimes it can get gross.